How to change Steam username. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your Steam's username. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First of all, open up your Steam and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you've done that, this will be the home page here. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to hover over your username. After you do so, you will see the profile option. Tap on profile and you'll get redirected to another page. Now what you'll need to do is tap on edit profile right here. After you tap on edit profile, you'll get redirected to another page. Now under here, you can simply erase this and write your name. After you type in your name, simply scroll down and you will see the save option. Tap on save and you're good to go. So yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. That is how you can change your username in your Steam. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.